I'm going to show you how to add on domain to existing hosting. First of all, the first step is identify the name server of the hosting. Then point the domain name server to the hosting and add on and issue the SSL. Okay, like this. First of all, you have to log in to your domain registrar. Okay, then click on the domain list or what. Okay, different domain registrar have different interface. So you have to find something like this, your domain list, and then click on manage, something like that. Okay, since I'm using the Namecheap, so if I'm using the Namecheap hosting service, then I can select this. Currently, I'm using the third party, so I have to put custom DNS. To identify the DNS, the name server, I have to know what is the name server of the hosting. So the root domain is this. What I have to do is I have to copy this domain name. If I don't know the name server, what I have to do is I find who is lookup and then click on either one or two website and check the name server of my domain, of my hosting. Okay, look at here. Okay, same, right? Just the capital letter or small letter. Okay, at here, okay, you copy either one. Small letter or small letter, capital letter or capital letter. And then you will see a save button. For Namecheap is tick button, just click on it. And then it will show a message saying that, okay, the DNS propagation will take 24 or 48 hours. It means that it needs 24 or 48 hours to connect to the hosting. Yeah. Since I already did it before, what I have to do is I want to add on the domain. So currently is this step, add on the domain. What I have to do is I have to search for domains. Yeah, click on it, or I scroll down, find this domains. Yeah, it might not be at here, depends on your hosting provider. It might at the bottom. Okay, click on it. What I have to do is, do you see this? Create a new domain. So it is this. Okay, now important thing is don't share. Okay, untick this. Otherwise, it will share with the root domain. Don't share the file. Just click means that it is independent. Then click on submit. It might take some times. Just wait for it. So this process depends on your internet speed and also the server. Most probably depends on the server. Okay, just wait for a while. Remember, untick this here. If you accidentally tick this, then remove it and redo. Just wait for a while. Okay, it still needs some time, so you can just fast forward a bit when you are watching this video. I'm recording this just to show you that the process. Okay, it's done. Okay, now the final step is issue SSL. Why? Okay, suppose that you click on this. You see, error, not secure. You see, not secure. What you have to do is go back to here, click on the interface, cPanel interface. You scroll down until you see this. Let's encrypt SSL or SSL status, both, yeah. Either here, either this one or this one. Okay, you see the domain. What I have to do is click on issue. tick this one. Okay, this thing can be at the top, in the middle, or bottom. So the important thing is you tick on this one, don't change this issue. Or the second step is, not second step, another option is you can go to here, SSL status, then you will see this, right? You see red color, green color. What you have to do is you tick on this one, then run auto SSL. Since I'm using this here, let's encrypt. So I have to wait. So it's now installed onto and using, okay, so let's go back. It's done. Now let's check. Let's go back to the domain and check what happened. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to, okay, please hold on. Copy the domain name, paste it here. It show, okay, now I have to check the status. Let me refresh. Let me try one more time. Okay, let's go back to here. Let me test with this. Install the WordPress and check. So this is demonstration, yeah. I didn't reset it properly. I just want to check. Okay, now I click on this to see. Yes. So the step is complete. Hence, the step is like this. First of all, identify your name server and then point the domain name server to the hosting, add on it and issue SSL. So after you issue SSL, it will not show this, okay, not secure. So just now, before you issue SSL, it show not secure, right? After you issue it, no more, okay? If your hosting doesn't have the SSL services, you have to check with your hosting provider. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.